Welcome SVPites to our presentation on chapter number 1, Everyday Things, and this is part 2 of our presentation. In our previous presentation, we read the poem and answered some of the questions. So in this presentation, we are going to solve some more questions. Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. Sometimes you can form new words by joining two words. For example, poolside, pool plus side, birthday, birth plus day. Such words are called compound words. So, sometimes you can form a new word by joining two words, right? For example, pool. Pool plus side, right? So this is one word, that is pool, and the other word is side. So when you join these two words, that is pool and side, you form a new word, that is poolside, right? Similarly, birthday. By joining two words, that is birth and the other word is day. So here you are joining two words, that is birth and day, to form a new word, that is birthday, right? Now, such words are called compound words. So, poolside and birthday are the compound words. Okay. So, when you join two words like pool plus side, you get poolside. You form a new word, that is poolside. And by joining birth plus day, we get a new word, that is birthday. So, poolside and birthday, they are compound words. Right? Now, let's match this table and complete this column C. Okay? Now, match the words in the first two columns to make compound words. Write them in third column. One has been done for you. So, in this, what you have to do, you are given column A and column B, right? So, you have to match column A with column B to form a new word, that is compound word, and you have to write that compound word in column C, right? So let's start. One has been done for us, that is postman. Post plus man, that is postman, right? So what we are doing, we are joining two words. Post is one word and the other word is man. By joining these two words, we form a new word, that is postman, right? And postman is a compound word. Similarly, newspaper. So news is one word, and paper is another word, right? So news, N-E-W-S, news plus paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper. So one word is news and the other word is paper. By joining these two words, we get a new word. We form a new word, that is newspaper, N-W-E-S-N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper, right? So by joining two words, that is news and paper, we form a new word, that is newspaper, right? And newspaper is a compound word. Similarly, book plus shop, that is book, B-O-O-K, book plus shop, S-H-O-P, shop, right? So here one word is book and the other word is shop. By joining these two words, that is book and shop, we form a new word, that is bookshop, B-O-O-K, book, shop, S-H-O-P, shop, right? So by joining these two words, we get a new word, that is bookshop, right? And this new word is a compound word, right? Similarly, seaside, S-E-A-C plus side, S-I-D-E, side, right? So by joining these two words, the first word is sea and the second word is side. By joining these two words, we get a new word, right? We form a new word, that is seaside, S-E-A-C-S-I-D-E, side, seaside, right? So this is a compound word, seaside, right? Similarly, gold and fish. So gold, G-O-L-D, gold plus fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Goldfish, right? So this is one word, that is gold, and the another word is fish. So by joining these two words, we get a new word. We form a new word, that is goldfish. G-O-L-D, gold, F-I-S-H, fish. So by joining these two words, gold and fish, we get a compound word, that is goldfish. Right? I hope you have understood this. Alright, let's move on. Do you know what a comb is made up of? Or what a pencil is made of? These could be made of either plastics or wood. The term given to materials or things from which something is made, such as cotton, plastic, metal, wood, is called material nouns. For example, plastic toy. Plastic is the material noun. Let us look at few more examples. Chairs are made of iron. I like handkerchiefs made of cotton. Now, here, do you know what a comb is made up of? Yes, comb is made of either plastic or wood, right? Do you know what pencil is made up of? Yes, pencil is made up of either plastic or wood, right? Now the term given to materials or the things from which something is made, such as cotton, plastic, metal, wood, is called material nouns, right? So the term which is given to the materials or the things from which something is made. So here, cotton, plastic, metal, wood. So cotton, plastic, metal and wood, these are the things or the materials, okay, from which something is made. Something in the sense comb or pencil, okay, or a chair are made. These are called material nouns. So these materials or things, cotton, plastic, metal, wood, these are called the material nouns from which something like chair, comb, pencil, dresses are made. Okay? For example, plastic toy, right? So in this plastic toy, plastic is the material or the thing from which something like toy is made of, right? Is made. So plastic is a material noun. Now let us look at some more examples. So let us look at some more examples. Chair. Chairs are made of iron, right? So chairs are made of iron. So here this iron is a material or a thing, right? So this iron is a material or a thing from which something like chair is made, right? So iron is a material noun. What is iron? Iron is a material noun. Why? Because it is a material or a thing from which something like chair is made, right? So iron is a material noun. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. N-O-U-N, noun. So iron is a material noun. Similarly, I like handkerchiefs made of cotton, right? So here, cotton is a material or a thing which is used to make something like handkerchiefs, right? So here, cotton is a material noun, right? Why? Because it is a material or a thing from which something like handkerchiefs are made, right? So cotton is a material noun. Now, happiness, sorrow, anger, joy are nouns which we can't touch or see. Nouns that refer to ideas, emotions, and other things you can't see, taste, touch, smell, or hear are called abstract nouns. Here, happiness, sorrow, anger, joy are the nouns which we can't touch or see. So here, happiness, sorrow, anger, joy, these are emotions, right? These are emotions and these are also nouns. Okay? Can you touch happiness? Or can you touch sorrow? Or have you seen someone touching or someone has seen anger or have touched anger? No, we cannot see or touch anger, joy, sorrow, happiness, right? They are emotions. And happiness, sorrow, anger, and joy are nouns. Now, nouns that refer to ideas, right? The nouns that refer to ideas, emotions like happiness, sorrow, anger, joy, sadness, and other things you can't see. Okay, and other things which we cannot see: taste, touch, smell, hear, are called abstract nouns. So, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are the nouns that are emotions or ideas or other things which we cannot see, which we cannot taste, touch, smell, or hear. Like happiness. Happiness is a noun, but can you see happiness? Can you touch happiness? Can you smell happiness? Can you hear it? Can you see happiness? No, we cannot see, taste, touch, smell, or hear happiness. Right? It is an emotion. So, happiness is an abstract noun. Right? So, feelings such as happiness, sorrow, anger, and joy are abstract nouns. Let us look at few examples. Honesty is a good quality. Honesty is a good quality, right? Here, can you see honesty? Can you touch honesty? Can you smell it or hear it? No, we cannot taste, touch, smell, or hear honesty, right? And honesty is a noun. So, honesty is an abstract noun. What it is? It is an abstract noun. ABSTRACT, abstract noun. NOUNS, noun. Right? So, here have honesty. It is an abstract noun because we cannot see, touch, smell, or hear it, and it is an abstract noun. We must speak the truth, right? So here truth is a noun. Can you see truth? No, we cannot. Can you touch, smell, or hear it? No, we cannot touch, smell, or hear truth. So truth is an abstract noun. Fine. Now, crowd and flock. Crowd and flock are nouns that refer to a group of people and birds, right? So, a group of people is called a crowd, right? And a group of birds are called flock. Is it clear? The group of people are called crowds and a group of birds are called flock. FLOCK, flock. So, flock are the group of birds and CROUD, cloud. Crowd. CROWD, crowd. Crowd refers to the group of people. Fine? So, nouns that name groups of people or things are called collective nouns. So, the nouns that name groups of people or things are called collective nouns. Here, flock and crowd are collective nouns. So, here, the nouns that name the groups of people. The groups of people are called crowds, right? And things are called collective nouns. Like flock. Flock is a group of birds, so it is a collective noun. Crowd, it is a group of people, so it is also a collective noun. Similarly, here are some examples like cows and buffaloes. So, a group of cows or buffaloes are called herd, right? A group of lions are called pride, right? A group of birds are called flight, or flock, right? So a group of birds are called flight or flock. A group of people or persons are called crowd, right? Similarly, a group of students is called a class, right? When a group of students are there, it is called a class. Group of flowers, group of flowers are called bunch or bouquet, right? A group of fish is called school. A group of wolves or dogs are called pack. We say no, pack of wolves, pack of dogs, right? So a group of wolves or dogs are called pack. A group of bees, wasps, flies are called swarm. A swarm of bees, a swarm of wasps, a swarm of flies, right? Similarly, a group of ants or penguins are called colonies. So, a group of penguins are called colonies. A group of ants are called colonies, right? Now, look at the highlighted words carefully. Identify the kinds of nouns. So, here we are given some of the sentences and the words like wood or wool, and some more words which are highlighted, right? Now, what we have to do, we have to identify the kind of noun. Like, I need a pencil made of wood, right? So, wood is a material or a thing which is used to make something like pencil. So, wood is a material noun. So, what is wood? Wood is a material noun. material, material noun. noun, noun, right? So wood is a material or a thing that is used to make something like pencil, right? So wood is a material noun. She is wearing a coat made of wool. So wool is a material or a thing which is used to make something like coat, right? So wool is a material thing, material noun. material, material noun. noun, noun, right? Now, don't go near the big tree. A swarm of bees may attack you. A swarm of bees, right? So a group of bees are called swarm. So swarm is a collective noun. What is swarm? Swarm is a collective noun. collective, collective noun. noun, noun, right? So don't go near the big tree. A swarm of bees may attack you. So a swarm of bees, a group of bees are called swarm. So swarm is a collective noun. My friend gave me a big bouquet of yellow roses. Bouquet. A group of flowers is called a bouquet or a bunch, right? So bouquet is also a collective noun. collective, collective noun. noun, noun, right? Now, justice should be done. Justice. So can you see justice? Can you touch justice? Can you feel justice? Can you touch, see, or hear justice? No. So justice is a abstract noun. abstract, abstract noun. noun, noun, right? Now let's move on to another question. Write the names of collective nouns against each group of nouns, right? So here we are given blanks. Over here we have to write the names of the collective nouns against the group of nouns. Okay, so here, a pile of what? A pile of thieves? No. A pile of buffaloes? No. A pile of books? Yes. We have heard many times from our elders saying, here are pile of books kept, do not touch them, right? So a pile of books, right? So BOOKS, books. A pile of books. A panel of thieves? No. A panel of buffaloes? No. A panel of players? Not at all. A panel of soldiers? No. A panel of judges? Yes. So JUDGES, judges, right? So pile, panel, army, herd, team, gang. These are collective nouns, right? And we are writing the thieves, buffaloes, books, players, soldiers, judges with appropriate collective noun, right? So here a book, a pile of books, a panel of judges, a army of soldiers, right? A army of soldiers. SOLDIERS, soldiers. A army of soldiers. A herd of buffaloes. BUFFALOES, buffaloes. A herd of buffaloes, right? Similarly, a team of players. A team of players. PLAYERS, players. Similarly, a gang of thieves, right? THIEVES, thieves. A gang of thieves. Now, let's move on to next question. Read the following words aloud and add 2 more words in each column to complete the table. So here, what you have to do, here we are given with the table, right? This is the table and we are given 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we are given words in each column. That is, in first column we are given some words, and then in the second column we are given some words. Likewise in third, fourth and fifth columns we are given some words. Now what you have to do is, we have to add 2 more words in each of these columns. Okay, so here you have to add 2 more words, like these blanks which are given to you. You have to add 2 more words in each of the column. So let's start. Okay, so in the first column the words are cake, 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 plate, 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 tape, 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 wave, 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 GAME, game. So here you can see that in each and every word which is given in this column, A is common. Like in cake, 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 A is there, right? Likewise in plate, 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 A is there. TAPE, tape, A is there. WAVE, wave, A is there. GAME, game, A is there. So what we have to do is, we have to write 2 more words, right? So one word can be make, 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 and the other word can be bake, BAKE, bake. So the words are cake, plate, tape, wave, game, make, bake. Similarly, in this column, the words are he, he, SHE, she, THESE, these, BEB, me, right? So in all these words we can see that E is common, right? Like in HE, he, E is there. SHE, she, E is there. THESE, these, E is there. BEB, E is there. me, E is there. So what we have to do is, we have to write 2 more words, right? So one word can be key, 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 and the other word can be TEA, right? So the words in this column are he, she, these, be, me, key, and tea, right? Similarly, in this column, the words are ice, ICE ice, N, ICE nice, D, ICE dice, K, IND kind, WHITE white, right? So what is common in all these words? We can see that I is common in all these words, like ICE ice, I is there, NICE nice, I is there, DICE dice, I is there, KIND kind, I is there, WHITE white, I is there. So what we have to do is we have to write two more words. Okay, let's write. So one word can be mice, 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 right? And the other word can be mind, 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 right? So the words are ice, nice, dice, kind, white, mice, and mind. Similarly, in this column, the words are vote, VOTE vote, ROPE rope, CONE cone, HOLE hole, PHONE phone, right? So in all these words, what is common? We can see that in all these words O is common, like VOTE vote, O is there, ROPE rope, O is there, CONE con, O is there, HOLE hole, O is there, PHONE phone, O is there. So now what we have to do? We have to write two more words. So one word can be hope, HOPE hope, and the other word can be pole, POLE pole. So the words are vote, rope, cone, hole, phone, hope, and pole, right? Similarly, in this column the words are amuse, 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 CUTE cute, MUSIC music, UNICORN unicorn, UNIFORM uniform. So in all these words we can see that U is common, like AMUSE amuse, U is there, CUTE cute, U is there, MUSIC music, U is there, UNICORN unicorn, U is there, UNIFORM uniform, U is there, right? So the two more words can be abuse, ABUSE abuse, and the other word can be mute, MUTE, a mute, abuse and mute. Okay, so the words are amuse, AMUSE amuse, cute, music, unicorn, uniform, abuse, and mute, right? Now we are done with the question answers of this chapter. We have done the question answers, we have read the poem. So what you have to do is you have to read the poem again, you have to do the question answers.